Good afternoon. We're going to see interruptions in the harvest during the week ahead. Muggy, thundery weather to start off with. That's going to return towards the end of the week. But there will be a drier, cooler, fresher interlude around about the middle of the week. Let me show you what's going to happen. At the moment, we've got this thundery low, and that's going to track northwards across the British Isles during the next 24 to 36 hours. And then as we move into Tuesday and Wednesday, this little area of high pressure begins to build, hence the drier weather for a time. But then Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, we start to see low pressure moving in once again from the southwest, and that's going to bring more of that thundery rain as we move into Thursday and in towards Friday. I did say there were going to be changes in temperature. At the moment we've got this very warm, very humid air across southeastern parts of the British Isles. That'll gradually give way to this cooler, fresher air, but then from Wednesday into Thursday and Friday, once again we're going to find a plume of that very warm, humid air moving up from the south. But let's come back to today's thunderstorms showing up here on our thunderstorm detector on the eastern side of Scotland. We've got some down across East Anglia and some rumbles of thunder now in the Severn Valley. More of that to come, and you can see as we look at the weather radar how there is some heavy rain around, and those storms are tending to drift very slowly northwestwards. They're going to continue to do that through the day, eventually pushing further and further northwards. Some of the storms are likely to be violent. That means some very heavy downpours. There could be some local flooding, some very strong and gusty winds, and would you believe it, there's even the chance of some hail mixed in with the heavy rain. Once again today, very humid, quite warm in the southeastern corner if the sun comes out. Temperatures as high as 27 degrees, but it won't feel anything like that in those downpours. Now, having talked about those thunderstorms, there will be some dry weather in between them, and some of the best weather today will be up across Northern Ireland and the western side of Scotland. But even here, the thundery weather will arrive during the evening and push further and further northwards overnight. Some of the storms will keep going across the rest of England and Wales, but there probably won't be as many as there are likely to be during the afternoon and the evening. That cooler, fresher air starting to push in very slowly overnight, but still very humid on this eastern side. That's the way it's going to look tomorrow. So still some very muggy air around at first, still some thundery rain. But eventually this cooler, fresher air will move in from the west. Now, it's probably not going to get right the way up into northern Scotland there. I think it'll probably stay cloudy all day with some more rain to come. And even this cooler, fresher air that'll be moving in, drier air, will bring some showers with it, and later in the day some of those showers could turn out to be heavy and thundery. On Tuesday, showers for Northern Ireland and Scotland, much of England and Wales dry, but later in the day some rain moving in from the west. And that rain will gradually work its way further and further north and eastwards during Wednesday. But the showers up in Scotland will gradually die away. Thursday and Friday we see the return of the thundery weather, that muggy, humid air moving up again from the south. And that's the Country File for